Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. I am so glad you are here to practice with me today. In this lesson, we will follow a story about Mia. Mia wants to start a new healthy habit. He is going to the gym for the first time in a long time. I will speak very slowly. I will use very simple sentences. This will help your ears catch every English sound. After the story, we will have a special section to practice your speaking. Are you ready to get strong? Let's begin. Mia is 25 years old. She lives in a small apartment in the city. She works in an office. Her job is busy. She sits at a computer for 8 hours every day. She answers emails. She types reports. She talks on the phone. At the end of the day, her back hurts. Her neck hurts. Her eyes feel tired. Mia does not exercise. She comes home from work. She sits on the sofa. She watches TV. She eats dinner. Then she goes to bed. Every day is the same. She knows this is not good for her. She wants to change. She wants to feel stronger. She wants to have more energy. One evening, Mia looks at herself in the mirror. She feels tired of feeling tired. She says to herself, I need to do something. I need to move my body. I need to get stronger. She remembers that a new gym opened near her apartment. It is only a 10-minute walk. She has walked past it many times. She has seen people going in and out. They look healthy and happy. Mia thinks, maybe I can try. Maybe I can go to the gym. But Mia is nervous. She has never been to a gym before. She does not know how to use the machines. She is afraid people will look at her. She is afraid she will look silly. She is afraid she will not know what to do. The next day, Mia takes a deep breath. She walks to the gym. The gym is called Strong Life Fitness. The building is clean and bright. There is a big sign on the door. Mia opens the door. She walks inside. The first thing she sees is a desk. Behind the desk is a woman. The woman has a kind face. She has short brown hair. She wears a shirt with the gym's name on it. She smiles at Mia. The woman says, Hello? Welcome to Strong Life Fitness. Are you here to sign up? Mia says, Yes. I want to join. But I have never been to a gym before. I do not know anything. The woman says, That is okay. Everyone starts as a beginner. My name is Rachel. I will help you. Mia feels relief. Rachel is nice. Rachel is not judging her. Rachel asks Mia some questions. What are your goals? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to build muscle? Do you want to feel more energetic? Mia says, I want to feel stronger. I want to have more energy. My back hurts from sitting all day. Rachel says, That is a great goal. I will show you around the gym, and I will give you a simple plan for beginners. Rachel takes Mia on a tour. First, they go to the cardio area. Cardio means exercises for your heart and lungs. There are many machines. Treadmills for walking and running. Stationary bikes for cycling. Elliptical machines for moving your arms and legs together. Rachel says, For beginners, I recommend starting with 10 minutes on the treadmill. Walk slowly. Do not run. Just walk. Next, they go to the strength area. There are many machines with weights. There are also dumbbells. Dumbbells are small weights you hold in your hands. There are also benches and mats. Rachel says, For your back and neck, we will do simple exercises. No heavy weights. Just your body weight and light dumbbells. Then they go to the stretching area. There are soft mats on the floor. There are also yoga blocks and straps. Rachel says, Stretching is very important. It helps your muscles relax. It helps you not get hurt. Mia looks around. The gym is not scary. It is clean and organized. The people are focused on themselves. They are not looking at Mia. Mia feels better. Rachel says, Do you want to try a short workout today? Just 15 minutes. I will stay with you and show you what to do. Mia says, Yes. I want to try. Rachel takes Mia to a treadmill. She shows Mia how to turn it on. She shows her how to change the speed. She shows her how to stop it. Mia steps onto the treadmill. She starts walking. Slowly. Step by step. The machine makes a soft sound. Mia walks for 10 minutes. Her legs feel warm. Her heart beats faster. but it feels good. Not bad. After the treadmill, Rachel shows Mia 3 simple exercises. First, wall push-ups. Mia stands facing a wall. She puts her hands on the wall. She bends her arms. She pushes back. Rachel says, "This is good for your arms and chest. Do 10 times." Mia does 10 wall push-ups. Her arms feel a little tired, but she can do it. Second, chair squats. Rachel brings a chair. She shows Mia how to stand in front of the chair. Then sit down slowly. Then stand up again. Rachel says, "This is good for your legs and back. Do 10 times." Mia does 10 chair squats. Her legs feel like jelly, but she smiles. She is doing it. Third, standing back stretches. Mia stands up straight. She puts her hands on her lower back. She leans back slowly. She looks at the ceiling. Rachel says, "This is good for your back. Hold for 5 seconds. Do 5 times." Mia does the back stretches. Her back feels better already. The tightness is going away. Rachel says, "Very good. You did your first workout. 15 minutes. That is a great start." Mia feels proud. She is sweating a little. Her muscles feel warm. But she feels happy. She feels strong. Rachel says, "Come back tomorrow. Do the same thing. 15 minutes. Then next week, do 20 minutes. Slowly, you will get stronger." Mia thanks Rachel. She signs up for a membership. She pays for 1 month. She promises herself she will come back. The next day, Mia comes back. She does the same workout. 10 minutes on the treadmill. 10 wall push-ups. 10 chair squats. 5 back stretches. It is a little easier than yesterday. Her body remembers. 1 week passes. 2 weeks pass. Mia goes to the gym every day after work. Sometimes she is tired. Sometimes she does not want to go. But she goes anyway. She tells herself, "Just 15 minutes. Anyone can do 15 minutes." After 2 weeks, Mia notices changes. Her back does not hurt anymore. Her neck does not hurt anymore. She sleeps better at night. She has more energy during the day. She feels happier. She feels proud of herself. One day at the gym, Mia sees a woman using a dumbbell. The woman is lifting a small weight. She looks like a beginner too. Mia smiles at her. The woman smiles back. Mia thinks, "We are all beginners at something." Mia also sees a man lifting very heavy weights. His arms are big. His back is strong. He looks like he has been going to the gym for years. Mia thinks, "Maybe one day, I will be strong like him. But for now, I am strong like me." Rachel sees Mia every day. Rachel says, "Mia, you are doing so well. I am proud of you." Mia feels happy. Someone noticed her effort. After 1 month, Mia can walk on the treadmill for 20 minutes. She can do 15 wall push-ups. She can do 15 chair squats. She can do 10 back stretches. She is getting stronger. Slowly, but surely. Mia learns something important. Going to the gym is not about being perfect. It is about showing up. It is about trying. It is about being kind to your body. It is about being patient with yourself. Mia also learns that the gym is not scary. The people at the gym are friendly. Everyone is focused on themselves. No one is watching her. No one is judging her. Everyone is just trying to be healthier. Now Mia loves the gym. It is her favorite part of the day. After work, she puts on her gym clothes. She walks to Strong Life Fitness. She does her workout. She stretches. She goes home. She feels strong. She feels peaceful. She feels ready for tomorrow. Mia is not a beginner anymore. She is not an expert either. She is somewhere in the middle. And that is exactly where she is supposed to be. Now, let us practice speaking. I will say a short sentence. Then you will repeat the sentence. There will be a pause. Use the pause to speak. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not rush. Remember, every time you speak, you get a little better. Ready? Let us begin. She works in an office. She sits at a desk all day. Her back hurts at the end of the day. She decides to join a gym. The gym is called Strong Life Fitness. A woman named Rachel works at the front desk. Rachel gives Mia a tour of the gym. Cardio exercises are good for the heart and lungs. Rachel shows Mia a simple workout. Mia walks on the treadmill for 10 minutes. She signs up for a membership. She comes back to the gym every day. After 2 weeks, her back does not hurt anymore. She has more energy. Mia learns that the gym is not scary. Now Mia loves the gym. She feels strong and peaceful. Excellent. You did a fantastic job. Your speaking is getting better every day. I am very proud of you. Now, I will tell you the key parts of the story again. But this time, I will speak a little faster. Not very fast, just more natural. Do not repeat. Just listen. Listen to how the words connect. Listen to the rhythm. This will help your ear understand real English. Here we go. Mia is 25 and works in an office. She sits at a desk all day. Her back hurts. She wants to feel stronger. She decides to join a gym, but she is nervous. She has never been to a gym before. She walks to Strong Life Fitness. A woman named Rachel helps her. Rachel gives her a tour of the gym. Then Rachel shows her a simple workout. Mia walks on the treadmill for 10 minutes. Then she does 10 wall push-ups, 10 chair squats, and 5 back stretches. Mia feels proud. She signs up for a membership. She comes back every day. After 2 weeks, her back does not hurt anymore. She has more energy. She sleeps better. She feels happier. Mia learns that the gym is not scary. Everyone is focused on themselves. No one is judging her. Now Mia loves the gym. It is her favorite part of the day. She feels strong and peaceful. Did you hear the difference? The words are the same, but the speed is a little faster. That is how people speak in real life. Do not worry if you did not catch every word. Listen again. Play this part 2 or 3 times. Your ears will learn. You did a fantastic job today. Working out your English skills is just like working out at the gym. The more you practice, the stronger you become. I am very happy to be your coach. Thank you for practicing with me, David, on Speak Easy English. If you enjoyed this story about Alex at the gym, please click the like button. It helps me a lot. Share this video with a friend who wants to learn English. Maybe you can exercise and practice English together. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our new lessons. Now, I have a question for you. Do you like to exercise? What is your favorite way to move? Do you like walking, swimming, or going to the gym? Tell me in the comments below. I love to read your stories. Keep practicing, stay healthy, and keep learning. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.